Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change the display size and text. So it's real simple to do, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. Okay, so pull down the notification panel twice and then go into the settings, and then here you will see display. There it is, display. Go ahead and select it, and then you will see display size and text. Go ahead and select it. Okay, so here now you will see two toggles. So the first toggle, it says font size, make text bigger or smaller. So you have a minus sign and also a plus sign. Then you have the toggle here. So if you drag it up towards the plus sign, as you can see, everything gets bigger. The font, even the applications as well, as you can see, everything gets bigger. And if you drag it down towards the minus sign, everything shrinks again. Everything gets smaller. So just have a little play with it and adjust it to your liking. And whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you're happy with, you just keep it set in that position, right? That sounds crazy, in that position. Okay, and then below, we have this option, display size, make everything bigger or smaller. So once again, you have the minus sign and you have the plus sign, right? So just drag the toggle to your preferred position. I keep saying that, it sounds crazy. But yeah, just keep dragging it towards your preferred position, and whatever you're happy with, whatever size you're happy with, ladies, you just keep it you just keep it set to that position, all right? And then here we have the option bold text. So you can turn it on, and as you can see, the writing is now in bold. However, if we turn it off, it goes back to normal. So if you prefer the bold text, keep it set to bold. If not, just keep it turned off. And then here we have high contrast text. So you can either turn that on or turn it off. And if you're not happy with any one of these settings and you want to reset everything, there's an option here to just reset the settings and everything will go back to how it was. Just simply select reset and everything will go back to how it was and you can start again. So that's really good. If you make any mistakes and you need to reset and start again, just select this option here, reset settings. So yeah, that's how you change the display size and text on the Motorola G85 Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.